Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a juicy, delicious baked chicken in the oven. It takes no time. It is absolutely mouth-watering. Before I begin, if you're new here, please take a quick moment to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and let's jump right in. To begin, we're going to start by spatchcock our chicken. I'm going to flip it over. This part, we want to remove it. Not only is going to make the chicken cook faster, but also it is going to make the chicken more flavorful, okay? Just like this. Make sure you're using a sharp knife or scissors if you have that. As you can see, this one is very sharp. Gotta be very careful. And there you go. Just remove that. Perfect. Now, you can either use this or you can throw it away if you like. I'm going to pat it dry now. Make sure it's nice and dry so we can have a beautiful, flavorful skin on the chicken. Now, this chicken is already cleaned with salt and vinegar. To make sure the chicken lay nice and flat, there's a bone right here. You gotta make sure you break it. So go like this and then flip it over. Flip the chicken over just like that, and you're going to press it down to crack that bone. You see that? It's nice and flat. Now we're going to season it. In here, I have about 4 tablespoons of melted butter, unsalted. I have all of my dry seasoning in here that I'm going to add to my melted butter. So I have onion and garlic powder, rosemary, dry parsley, paprika, Creole seasoning, and some ground black pepper. I'm going to mix that together, and also I'm going to add a little bit of oil in there just to dilute the butter a little bit. And then we're going to cover our chicken with that. So I like to season the back first. So I'm going to flip the chicken over again, and then I'm going to use that marinade and just rub it all over the chicken, just like this. Just rub that all over, and then you're going to flip it over just like this and rub that seasoning in. I like to go under first, so lift up the thigh and add that seasoning right in. It's going to make it nice and saucy and juicy, of course. And delicious. We have the butter in there as well to make it juicy. Can be a little tricky, but once you put it in there, all you gotta do is just spread it out like this. Rub that in. The wing especially is one of my favorite part of the chicken, so I like to make sure I cover the wing nicely with the seasoning. Just like this, and lift up the breast as well. And add your seasoning in. And then just move the seasoning in there. It's gonna melt inside the breast and make it nice and saucy. I'm going to transfer the chicken to my baking dish. I'm using a cast iron, as you can see. Now I have a little bit of butter that I wanna add inside the breast, just so you know the breasts sometimes get really dry. So I'm going to add a little bit of that butter in there to keep it nice and juicy for us, okay? Once you add that in, you can just push it with your hand. As you can see, it's sitting right there. And now I'm going to add in a little bit of onion and bell peppers. You can add carrots, celery, or potatoes if you like. I like to add it under because I want the side to be nice and crispy. And also I'm going to be adding some chicken broth in here just so I can have a little bit of gravy to eat my chicken with. So after you add your onion and bell peppers, grab about a cup or half a cup of chicken broth and just pour that in there just like this so you guys can see. So we can have a little saucy sauce action going on once the chicken is done cooking. I'm going to add a little bit of paprika just for color, nothing really. As you can see, some of the part that I touch are kind of, you know, not so appetizing looking. So I add a little bit of paprika and then I'm going to take it in the oven right now, uncovered. All right, going in the oven. Perfect. Now we're going to bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour on 375 uncovered. I'll see you guys when it's ready. All right, guys, the chicken is finally ready and I'm ready to dive in. Come take a look. All right, guys, let's give this chicken a try. It looks absolutely delicious. Let's give it a try, y'all. Flavorful, of course. You already know. You already know it was going to be absolutely flavorful. You cannot go wrong making your chicken like this. Delicious. So good. When I ask for a baked chicken, this is what I mean. 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you give this recipe a try very, very soon. I'm asking you guys for one favor. Share this video with a friend for me, and also don't forget to give it a thumbs up because I see YouTube trying to push down my videos. I don't like that. So you guys need to help me out by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Enjoy.